What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. Today's going to be an unboxing of official accessories for the ROG Ally. I have their official case and I have their official charging dock, and I'm going to go and show you everything that these things look like and have inside of the box, and then I'll give you my impressions of what I think so far and if you should buy them or not. And if you do want to buy either of these, they're both linked down below. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. All right, so here we go. Here is the box for the Ally travel case, ROG. That's what the box looks like. It's 40 bucks. I picked it up at Best Buy. That's the only thing inside the box, is nothing else. Here's the case, closer look at it. It is a pleather, so it's like a fake leather. I know some of you, I read some of the comments before I even did this video, talking about this case, saying you didn't like the writing going all around. It doesn't bother me. Republic of Gamers, AKA ROG. Little branding right there, it says ROG. You can hook it onto something if you want. Let's open it up. All right, you get In Search of Incredible, which this is crazy for a, is this like a how-to guide, a table of contents, warranty information, all that stuff. Wow, it's pretty intense. Also inside here, some salt, so if you love salt, some silica. Okay, so in terms of like just durability, oh, is that already a mark? What is that about? Looks like it's gonna get marked up with different things. I don't even have anything on my desk. That's what's crazy. But in terms of like durability, is it gonna keep your, you know, your ROG Ally safe? I don't know, possibly. I mean, it's not super heavy duty. It does have some padding to it, which is good. You can see. Has like a little indent, looks like, for like the joystick up here, and it has good padding right here. And then you have all these little compartments to put cables or things like that. This does lift off right here. It is Velcro, and then it flaps back. So I mean, for 40 bucks, okay, it might seem a little bit overpriced at that point, but I mean, it is an official case, and usually official stuff doesn't get too cheap. It's not amazing, but I think I'll be pretty happy with this overall in terms of keeping this as my, pretty much my main case. I wish it did have some kind of like strap right here that I could have grabbed onto and hold it like a little briefcase or something. Obviously I could, I guess, hook something to right here and hold it a little bit easier potentially. The zipper, let's just see. Yeah, zipper works good. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, for what it is, I'll be perfectly fine with it. Here's the box for the ROG charger dock. Now remember, what this allows you to do is hook your ROG Ally up to a television or a monitor, and also charge it at the same time. Now, this goes for 65 bucks. Also got it at Best Buy. Bunch of terms and conditions. This is like the most, wow, table of contents. Look at this. I will not be looking at this. Here's your warranty card. Why is this so thick for a warranty card? It's incredible. Not just because it says incredible, but this is like incredibly thick. Here's like everything. Let me just make sure nothing else in there. Comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. This looks really long, which is good. I mean, pretty long, I should say. There are little clips on the ends of these, so make sure you take those off before you try to plug it in. It is like a nice nylon cable. It feels good. It's got a strap here. Very, very nice. Here's the dock. The dock is wrapped in plastic. Here's a closer look at it. So we have HDMI 2.0, USB 2.0, and then you have your USB-C. This flicks out. ROG branding on the side. And it's not too big. Like, here's the charger. Here's a Galaxy S23 Ultra case. You can see it's not too big. Definitely not as big as a laptop charging brick. And then the quality feels good too. It feels nice and sturdy. Doesn't feel like it's gonna break. One thing I don't love, I mean, these go in pretty easy, but I don't know. I wish it was slightly easier to push this out. It's not hard, but I don't know. There's something about it I don't absolutely love. But it is nice for stowing this away and putting this away as well. Now, currently I don't have an ROG Ally. I'll do a video on these accessories in terms of a review, but could you fit this in here? I guess, I don't know. Maybe not, probably not. This might not be a great case for putting all of your accessories in here. Potentially you could close it. I guess we'll have to see when the console is actually in here, but I would guess not. This is probably a little bit too thick. There you guys go. There's the official charging dock and case. If I had to buy, would I recommend just off the unboxing buying these? I'd say yeah. I mean, I think the problem you might potentially run into with the case is it's gonna be hard to get like the dock and the console in there and all the cables and everything with it. That potentially might be a problem. It might not. I'll do a review on these. And then I think this is great. I love the ability to hook this up to a television, plug in HDMI, charge it, and do all of that without have it interfering with my gameplay at all. So that's really, really cool. And it feels really sturdy, which is a nice thing. So if you want to pick either one of these up, they're both linked down below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace.